welcome back to my channel. And as you know, I'm Rashmi Agarwal and today I'm back with a haul video. So few days before I shopped from Shopclose and eBay and there was a huge sale going on. So let's see what all I got. Thing comes first. So I got this massager. It costed me around 200 to 250, somewhere between that. And it's a beauty care massager. You can use it on face as well as on hands, and it gives you a mini facial at home. So let's open this. So this is what you can see from inside. It comes with 5 types of brushes, and it's really gentle on your face when you when you apply cleansing milk or exfoliator. You can apply that things with this massager, and it made my life so easy. And coming to the second part, I got this hair straightener. This is from the brand Nova, and it is the cheapest one available online. I never used a straightener before, that's why I bought this just to give a try. So it is 2-in-1 hair straightener. You can curl your hairs as well as you can straight your hairs with it. So this is what it looks from inside. As you can see, this is a very small size, so it's very handy dandy. You can travel with it, you can carry it anywhere. So I have not used it yet. So it opens from this and you can just, okay. So the third thing which I got are these brushes. These brushes are from Pune store. They make dupe of Real Technique brushes, which are really expensive, seriously. So the original Hello Kitty brushes are priced at near 3000, and this costed me around 350, which is exactly the 10th part of it, the best thing. So this is what it looks from the inside, and you can see how cute is this man. This is the cutest buy of mine. And inside it you have 7 types of brushes, that is lip, face, shader, eyeshadow, foundation, angled eyeliner, eye shade stick. And trust me guys, I really don't have any knowledge how to use these brushes, but I trust myself. I will do it soon. I will learn how to use this. So you can see how tiny it is. They're really very cute. Plus they are pink, man. This is my favorite color, by the way. So they are well packed, and this is also handy dandy. You can carry it anywhere. So for today, that's it guys. I only bought some of the products which I really don't have. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit a like, subscribe to my channel, and comment below what else type of video you want me to do. Tada guys.